Hello students, today our topic is multiplying the digits by 10, 20, 30. It continues till 90 and same it is there that multiplying by 100, 200, it is continued till 900. In the both the difference is just that there is a 1 0 and there are two zeros. The difference is that by 1 0 and by 2 zeros. So example we will take of first 1 0. How to solve these questions? You have given 5 into 10. 5 multiply by 10. So what you will do? 5 ones are 5. Just write it down and put the 0 next to this answer. Next to the product. Any digit you multiply, if the zeros are there, keep it aside. After multiplying the digits, just write near the product the zeros. How many zeros are there? Write it down. Just is there 0? Then we have kept written here 1. One more example. 3 into 2 it was 1. So now we have taken here 2. So 3 2s are 6 we have written, and the leftover 0 we will write here. Understood? Only just multiply the digit with the number, left the zeros. How many zeros are there? Left them. It can be 1, it can be 2, left them aside. Just multiply the numbers 5, 1, 2, 3 like these. Don't multiply 0. Just write down after you get the product behind it. Understood? It's the same thing we have to do when there are two zeros. Like I have taken the example 3 into 100. 3 ones are 3. Just write it down and put the two zeros behind the product. That is 300. Now 5 into 3, 100. So 5 threes are, what is 5 threes are? 15. Now put the 2 0. You having 2 zeros, so we have taken the 2 0 down. Just multiply the product of the numbers, leave the 0 behind and put them when you get the product of other numbers. Put the number 0 behind the product. It's just now what to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, 300. We multiplied the given number by 1, 2, 3. The foremost number before the 0. How many digits are there? Just multiply that digits or the numbers with the given number and just put zeros. It can 1 0, it can be 1 0, it can be 2 zeros. Put all of them on the right side of the product. It can be 1 0, it can be 2 0. Just put them behind the right hand side of the product like we have done. Just put them here, your answer will be correct. Just divide the numbers 3, 1, 2, 4 with the given number. The answer will be correct, and put the last zeros. How many are available to you? It can be 1 0, it can be 2 0. Put behind the product. Let's do some questions regarding this topic. Find the product. Let's do some questions. Find the product. 32 multiply by 20. See, there are two digit numbers and there are 20. A single 0 containing one digit with the number 1 0. So multiply the 2 with 32. Here we have done 32 into 2. That is 640. Leave the 0. 32 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. We got 64. Now we are left with 1 0. What we will do? We will just put it here and our product will be 640. Understood? What you have to do? The number you have given. Now just multiply the numbers like 1, 2, whichever the digit is here. Just multiply that digit with this number. Leave the 0 behind aside. We will just, after completing the product, we will add them into it. We will write just right inside of the product and we will get our answer. So these are the questions you have to do like this. Solve them properly. See the questions. If here is also a 0, just multiply 2 and 3. For example, it can be 30 and 20. So multiply 3 and 2 and see 1 and 2 zeros. So put the 2 zeros behind it. Now when we multiplied by 300, 100, 400. We are taking the second question of this type, 5 into 300. So just what we have did, the number 1, 2, 3 is there. So we have just multiplied the digit 3 to the 5. So 5 3s are 15. Now we are left with 2 zeros and we have written the 2 zeros here. This is as simple as this. Now 14 into 5. Now there are two digits and there is, in this we will take one digit, that is 5. 14 multiplied by 5, that will be 70. 70 is okay. Now the two zeros are left which we have not done. So write the two zeros over here. The answer will be 7000. So there are the questions, 5 questions. Of each questions I have given you. Just solve them properly. The answers will be given to you in the next video. The answers of the previous questions, let's multiply to find the product. The questions which I gave you, answers I have written with the red pen. Check them properly. See, I think it's visible to you properly, answers of each question. Nine 1510 Now coming on to the second question. The first answer is 40, second is 24, third is 12 and fourth is 96.